Hello and welcome back to Gaslands TV. Today we're going to be doing a quick video. It's going to be a small quick video, but I wanted to show off these Maisto designs that I got, and it's going to be like a quick review. First time I'm buying those. And I also bought these rigs because I'm probably going to want to do my first war rig, and I hope you subscribe to watch the video of that. So let's start with this one. I'm gonna open this up. This I'm gonna be using this as a piece of terrain, and if you want to see how I'm gonna be using it as terrain, subscribe to the channel and drop a like if you can, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I actually do the video of this terrain piece. Now let's get back to the rig here. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go with like some gold trims in there. It's probably gonna look like a steampunk kind of thing. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with that little car, but probably gonna use it as terrain. But let's get a closer look here. The sides are really cool because they have these tires that are nice, and these gears and rivets a little bit everywhere. This top part, I don't like it. I think I'm gonna remove that or cover it with something. I don't know, I'll figure something out when I do the video. But this also is really cool. The side here has some gears. It's not symmetric to the other side, so it's gonna be fun to paint. The back trailer is huge. There's a lot of space in there to put in another car, but I mean, if you're doing a war rig, it's probably gonna be like guns sticking out of there, or if I could find some soldiers maybe. But if you wanna buy this, it's called a Carnival Steamer. If you wanna find it online, that's how it's spelled. And the second one I bought is this Holland Horse, it's called. It's really cool, actually. Let's open that up. Another nice piece of terrain here. Can't wait to work on that and show you what I'm gonna do with this thing. It's gonna be maybe cover it up with some cloth and material, make it look like a warehouse storage thing. Anyways, back to the little thing here, this ATV that comes with it. It's cool. There's metal inside in the bottom part of this vehicle, so probably use that metal piece for to add to the engine of the war rigs or something. Maybe glue it in the back or something. But this is the actual war rig itself, and wait a minute, when you move it, the engine and the pipes move. I don't know if you see that. It's pretty cool. Never seen a car do that before. Let's see. Let me zoom out a bit. Let's see how this looks. Nice. Isn't that cool? Now the back trailer has some gasoline containers here, a spare tire under here. That's gonna be cool to paint. Like the threads on the wheels here. Really like that. There's an oil container on the top here, which is gonna be nice. One thing to note is if you have spikes on the side of your wheels or whatever, they won't fit on this trailer, so just keep that in mind. Maybe they will with these small spikes here, but even then, no, it's not gonna. So just something for you to keep in mind. Also, there's a hinge in the back there, some springs, which are really cool, gas pipes, NOS maybe. These look like NOS bottles. Probably paint those blue. The decals are pretty cool. I mean, everything on this looks cool as is. Maybe a little bit too much chrome, but look at the front. It looks a little bit mean, so that's pretty cool. I don't know which one of these wheels makes the thing move, but when you try to spin the wheel with your finger, it doesn't move. It only works when you're spinning all the wheels together. Now back to these two Maisto designs. These are the two cars that I bought. I want to review them. They're a bit more expensive than Hot Wheels, but not by much. Like you could get these for maybe $3 each, $4 each. But I'm gonna start with this 442 here. This is the Oldsmobile 442, 1969, and oh, this could be a pretty cool terrain also. Maybe like a fountain or something. Put some liquid in there at the bottom. Well, fake liquid, but make it look like a fountain or something. Anyways, this hood looks like it opened from, it does. It opens from the front. I don't know how much I could open it though. I don't want to break it. Let's see. There's an engine in there, so. Alright, for the sake of the video, I'm going to push really hard. And yeah, it opens. This is cool because it's going to stay up. It's going to stay open. I think that's why they made it hard to open. That's really nice. The details on the lights are really cool. Here's a nice little touch. Also, the tires. They are indeed rubber on these cars. And the mags are really nice looking. Really detailed. And check out the tires. I mean, the tread is really cool on these tires. Love it. Does the trunk open? No, the trunk doesn't open. The paint is not the best job, but you still get a lot of details, like the lights are painted, and you know, you got the license plate there. Even the tailpipes are really nice looking. So yeah, this like they paint even the wipers. I mean, this is ready to get worked on. I mean, I wouldn't even prime this. Check out the bottom. The bottom has all the pipings and stuff, and it's also screw, right? So you don't even need to drill these cars. I mean, so far I'm pretty impressed, right? Like, these are already much better than the Hot Wheels for the Gaslands purposes. And yeah, when you open it, check out the dashboard here. There's so much detail. You see the radio there. You see the speedometer and everything. It's pretty cool. And check out the racing bucket seats. Really nice. Man, those threads though. Look how amazing this is. How do you, like, for a few bucks more, I'd rather buy like one of these cars than buy 3 Hot Wheels. Then you just close them back up when you're done working on them. I mean, really nice. So this is the Bel Air, and I'm gonna open up this one and see if it's as good as that one. Looks really nice. The details are really cool. There's writing on the tires. This is probably a dragster. It's got the pipes coming out from the front there. It's got the slick tires in the back. It's got the dragster tires in the front. So yeah, the bottom doesn't have as much detail as the other car, so not super impressed with that. But the tires are really nice, and I like the Firestone written on the tires. It's really nice touch. And the emblem and the lights are painted. I mean, these are really nice detailed paint jobs here on these cars. And you got the license plate a little bit crooked there, but it's there nonetheless. Here's a closer look. I mean, these look good, right? And again, they also screw open. Let's check out the inside, see if it's as good as the other one. Now, the seats actually move. The seats move, guys. This is crazy. Or you could even completely remove them, or remove one if you want to make, if you're doing like a weight reduction style car or whatever. But you could even like bring these down to see the speakers, and it makes it easier to paint. And I'm really impressed, guys. I don't know if I'll be going back to Hot Wheels. I mean, for some Gaslands cars, these are really good. And just close them up when you're done. So yeah, so next time you're out there shopping for some cars, really seriously look for the Maisto design. Maybe the green one is probably better than the purple one. And these are the, I ripped it here, but it's the muscle series. So look for those. They're really nice and they're not expensive. And this one is the purple one, and these are the Outlaws. Also ripped, sorry, but it's the Outlaws. Yeah, so I mean, they're both really cool. Really impressed. Not expensive, and you don't even need to prime these. I'm probably not gonna prime them. I'm just gonna shove some guns on them and paint the inside, and look how good that looks. Can't wait to do these. And if you guys want to watch me work on these, Don't forget to hit the bell notification, so when I do actually put out a video, you'll get notified. But yeah, I'll probably be putting guns in there instead of cars. So that's my quick review of the Maisto designs. I'll be buying more of those for sure. If you guys are looking for dice to play Gaslands, or some gates, some templates, we got engines with skulls on them, pipes that you could put on your car, guns, machine guns, rams, even what do they call it, harpoons. I mean, anything to modify your car. Check out the Etsy page in the description. Go to our Facebook page, Gaslands TV, for a monthly giveaway of a container full of stuff and bits like that. Not a lot of people enter, so your chances are really, really good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate it, and see you next time.